Hello friends, now I will quickly and in detail tell and show how to remove green screen and CapCut on PC. For example, I will download this funny cat from YouTube, which, as you can see, is on a green background. Also, I have already put, for example, a video recorded in Minecraft that our cat was not on a black background after removing the green background. Grab the video with the kitten in the caption and place it on top of another video. Next, select the video you want to remove the green background from. Go to the upper right part of CapCut and select the Trim tab. Activate the chroma key effect. With its help, we will remove the green background. Now select this eyedropper tool and click on our green background. We do this so that the program understands what color to remove. So it doesn't matter if the background is green or blue. Now, we use the strength slider to adjust the intensity of the removal of the green background. Each case will be different, so you will have to spend some time on this and find the ideal value so that the green background disappears and the important part is not affected. Great, that works for me. Next, if you like, you can add some shadow under your object. Great, now you know how to remove green screen and CapCut on PC. If this video was useful, please put a like and subscribe to the channel. Good luck!